today I am actually going back to Chic Fil because I heard that they had a peach milkshake that I did not try out. My last video that I did with Chic Fil had to do with the mango passion tea lemonade, and I am a huge tea fanatic, so are my kids. I do like peach. I usually get the peach green tea lemonade at Starbucks, and so I really want to try this peach milkshake out and then tell you what I think about it. And it is the 4th of July, so happy 4th everyone. We are going to be going to the beach today, just the boys and I, and we will document a little bit. So here we go. Hi there.
Hello. May I get a name to start off your order?
Maddie.
Awesome. We're gonna get started for you now.
Can I get the 20-ounce mango passion tea lemonade?
Of course.
And do you just have small, medium, large for the peach milkshake?
So we have small and large as well.
Okay, let's just do the small of that, and then a large fry, and then that's it.
Any sauces for the fry?
Chick-fil-A.
Maddie?
Yep. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we got the tea again and the peach milkshake. It only comes in a small and a large. And like I said last time, the mango comes in a 16 or 20 ounce. So basically, they would consider that a small or a large. Oh God, it's filled to the top. So it tastes like vanilla, but with like a hint of peach. So it's not overbearing. I'm trying to tell if there's like peach chunks. So good. So good. And they gave me a lot. I was nervous, so I only got a small instead of a large. And then here is the mango tea lemonade. This one is a lot. What? I'll give you some. I'll give you some. This one has a lot more mango taste than it did yesterday. It is so refreshing. So good. Now Jackson wants some. Jackson, can you say hi? Can you say hey? Say hey. And we also got a large fry. And I am like a new lover of the Chick-fil-A sauce now. I recently started getting it probably a month or two ago because my husband just said, just try the Chick-fil-A sauce. So I tried the Chick-fil-A sauce, was in love. Looked online, like on Amazon, to see if they sold it because some places sell stuff like that. And it was like $27. Obviously, I'm not going to pay $27 for sauce. So I went on Pinterest and found a way to make it, and it literally tastes the exact same. But they also have a dupe at Walmart, I believe, is where I got it, which is fry sauce or chicken sauce. I really think both of them taste exactly the same, and they literally taste just like Chick-fil-A sauce. But the Pinterest version tastes the same too. Anyway, delicious. Now we are heading to the beach, just the boys and I. Gonna have a good time. Got our men's suits on this time, and we will document some of the fun that we're gonna have. So here we go. Come on, Jackson. Come on, Harry. Jackson, you ready? Come on, Harrison. Come on, Jackson.